mortals, to the Countess and Christoph Variety Channel. So tonight we're going to do something a little bit different. What are we going to be doing?
We are going to be doing a wine tasting of one of the Countess's homemade blends.
Yeah. So while you guys were all out there fawning over magical color changing lemonade, I thought what a beautiful wine color this would make. So as you can see in front of us, we have this beautiful wine holder, and it is holding my latest batch of butterfly pea flower wine. So as you can see, that is a really, really rich violet color. And that was kind of the goal I was going for when I made this wine.
I have never seen a wine that color before, ever.
Yeah, it's something that happens naturally with the butterfly pea flowers, and I'm going to show you that now. So when you make a tea with butterfly pea flower, it becomes this brilliant blue color, and it's really quite striking. It doesn't take a lot of flowers to get this color, but it's incredible.
It is very pretty.
So what happens when you add acid is it turns purple before your very eyes.
What kind of acid do you add in Countess?
This is just lemon juice.
So easily found in anybody's kitchen.
Yep. So instant presto changeo from blue to purple. And you can see that the lemon is settled at the bottom and the top is still blue. And that's kind of what I was hoping for when I made the wine. Because anytime you make wine, you add acid to balance the flavor. So we bottled this back in, actually a year ago today, in October of 2022.
Wow.
So it's been aged for a full year now, and it's ready to drink. Now, I do have an older, more experimental batch that I made in like a 1 gallon.
Yes.
No, less than 1
Yes,
gallon.
it was less than
It was
1 gallon.
only like 1 quart.
Yes.
So I made a test batch, and of that one, this one did not color as brilliantly as this one. So in this batch, I only used about like 2 tablespoons of butterfly pea flowers. In this batch, I made a 1 gallon batch, and I used a 1/4 cup of flowers.
Yeah.
And the flowers, they just look like this. So they come dried. I got these off of Amazon. I'll link them down below. And then later, I'm probably going to be posting the recipe on there so that you guys can make this yourselves. Why don't you open it?
Good.
You suck at that.
Not a problem.
Nope. You got to twist it down more
Oh, more?
first.
Okay.
I didn't get it all the way in there. Not a common problem in our relationship. All right, so I'm really excited.
How's it smell?
It smells beautiful. It has almost a pear
Yeah.
scent, which is really surprising.
Oh wow, the color on that is amazing.
I mean,
I have never. I mean that's
it's violet.
yeah. I mean I've seen reds obviously and dark reds, but never like this.
So we're gonna try the newer one first.
Okay.
I do want to try the older version
Yes.
too. Now that that's been aged for 2 years.
Mm-hmm.
All right. I like to let it air out a little bit just to get, you know, a good scent, smell. So this is about, where did this one measure up to? This has a pretty high alcohol content. This one came out to be about 18% when it was all done, honestly.
Really nice mouthfeel.
Ooh, that's really interesting.
I love the mouthfeel. The flavor is...
It's not what you expect.
It's... This is going to sound horrible, but I'm getting like a grape juice.
Yeah. Well, there was a fruit juice used in the base.
Mmm.
So you pair it with juice so that you get a good product.
Yeah.
I used apple juice.
But it doesn't taste like apple juice.
It doesn't taste like
It
apple
tastes
at all.
more like grape
More
juice.
like grape, but it does have a flower
Yes.
aftertaste or a floral aftertaste.
There's also like, I'm also getting a little bit of heat at the back of my tongue.
That would be the peppercorns.
Mmm.
So when I brew a wine, I usually add a couple peppercorns to make a warming sensation when you drink it.
Yes. It's... this is amazing. Like, this is amazing. I am... Wow.
I could see this going really good with red meat.
Yes. Very much so. Thomas?
Dessert. This would be great dessert wine too. It's got a very sweet taste to it.
But not overly sweet. It's not like... there's a wine I've had. It's ice wine. That is very sweet. This is not as sweet as that.
Yeah.
So, Countess, we're going to have steak and German potatoes. I really like the heat at the back. It's very warming, and it does not have, like, some wines have like a very strong alcohol flavor. This does not have that. Like, this goes down very smoothly.
Yeah, it's really good. I'm really glad I made this one.
Oh my, I
Of my bucket list wines, this
Wow.
was definitely one of those things I want to try really, really badly. So I will be making this again for sure.
definitely,
This could almost be competition worthy.
yes, I would agree. I think when the wine competition comes around, this time, like in the summer, I think you should enter this.
January.
January?
January should be the next one.
Okay. All right. So now we want to try the other one?
Yeah, I want to try the other one. I don't know. This is.
I can do this.
I could keep drinking this.
Yeah, me too.
I can't drink that.
It was really good.
It is really good, but it's very heavy. This one.
It does have a little bit of a heavy flavor to it, but this stuff is dangerous, mortals.
So this one, exact same recipe, same apple juice base, just less butterfly flowers.
I'm just gonna point out something, mortals. This stuff is dangerous.
You can get, yeah.
I mean, it's 18% alcohol, and it tastes amazingly good.
You wouldn't know there's that much alcohol.
No, you wouldn't.
Want me to try this again, or you want to do it?
I'll do. I don't want to break the cork off in the. Yeah, there we go. All right. This smells nice. Say when.
That's good. That's enough for both of us to try.
Yeah.
Try
Now
it.
this is a definite lighter color. It's still violet though.
More like lavender.
The Countess knows her
lilac.
colors far better than I do. All right.
Give it a good swirl.
That's what I'm doing.
Nice nose full.
Smells nice. Now this one, I definitely taste the alcohol more.
Okay, it smells completely different.
Yeah. It's a
Totally different.
Very different flavor, taste, everything.
So this one has an earthier smell.
Yes.
More like a sweet potato? Don't know how.
Beet.
No, not like a beet. More like a sweet potato.
It's good.
So the only other difference between the two, this one I back sweetened more. This one I did not back sweeten.
Countess, what is back sweet?
So back sweetening is when you add sugar to the wine when you're bottling it. So yeah, this one you can definitely taste the alcohol content a lot more because I did not back sweeten.
What was the alcohol content on this one as opposed to the other one? That was
This
18.
one, 16. So
16?
this is a little less.
Than this one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So the older batch was less alcohol content.
But the older batch tastes more like the butterfly pea flower themselves.
Mm.
It did not pick up a lot of the apple juice from
Right.
the second batch.
Yeah.
So just goes to show you, when you make something the first time and then you try and make it again the second time and improve upon it, you can get completely different results, even though you only tweak one or two little things.
Agreed. All right. I think this was a very successful experiment.
Yeah.
And Christoph is going to go retire now. Excuse me.
Okay. Well, thank you for joining us on today's little mini tasting episode. Leave a comment down below if you have any other things you'd like us to try or taste on the channel. Let us know our opinions of them.
Give us a like if you like what you saw, and make sure to hit that thumbs up button for that like.
Yeah, and as always, subscribe so you never miss an episode of all the fun going on here in Lab.
Good evening, mortals.
See you again next time in Lab. Bye.
Bye.